Talofa guys, welcome back to our Sunday cooking episode. Special Fatalova to our Ainga members. It's a very gloomy Sunday morning. It's got like cyclone vibes. So we're trying to get the mustada, get it on the way. And I need to start cooking. It'll probably be soup again. Nice comfort food during the rain. But yeah guys, hope you enjoyed today's content. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel guys. See you soon. So you've seen the uncle said to leave the skin on for the other ulus, and that's because he said it doesn't really matter because we'll be eating the inside, and plus the other ones will be for the pigs. So we're just trying to use up the ulus for the fuakas from the fuaka of the ulu, which is like the seasonal time in fruits. But I've already cleaned like 4 or 5 ulus, and that'll be for us to eat, and then the rest we can use them if we want to, but then again we can also use it for the pig feed, so that we can utilize it. But uncle's already finished with the coconuts. I'm going to finish off removing the skin for the bananas, and then more pusa daumu, or light daumu. time to pau the umu. Probably give it another 10 minutes for all the rocks to heat up properly, and then we'll get to it. Almost forgot, we have some sweet potatoes here. The white, it's got a white flesh, not the orange one. So we're just gonna foil that and throw it onto the umu as well. Alright guys, so finally got our menu for today, and again it's very simple. Trying to keep it really simple in these coming episodes, but you never. So we've got soup bones, beef, so we're gonna make a soup with that. We've got half a block, actually a quarter block of ham. Got a coco fish, which we will make a sweeter with. So fairly straightforward menu. It's also nice and simple as well. So I'm gonna get started on the soup now, so we can get it out of the way early. Alright, so all that's left is to throw in the veggies for the soup later on, and then the cocoa to finish it off. But almost, I mean, we're already probably 70% done with Sunday to night. Alright guys, so we're going to get started on the veggies. Might as well get it out of the way now. But yeah, just wanted to take this time out, just say thank you again guys for supporting the channel. Really appreciate it guys. Also guys, I just want to apologize, we didn't have a end of the month podcast last month, January, because I was super busy at the moment, but we will be having one next month, this month, at the end of this month. So I'm going to post it in our community tab, so be sure to check that out, where we have our end of the month post where you can post your questions and stuff. But I have a surprise for you guys when it comes to our end of the month podcast, so we'll definitely break the surprise once we get there. Yeah, we'll break it when we get there. But yeah, be sure to comment down on that on the community tabs for all your questions and stuff. Um, yeah, yeah. Alright guys, umu is now done. We're going to do a taste test for the ulus. I'm pretty sure you're going to like it. Alright, so we got our luau here. We've got our sweet potato in there, the umala. Pretty sure that's cooked. Yeah, nice. Very well cooked. Sorry guys, it's super hot at the moment. Ooh. We've got our taro. More umala, got the fa'i, got our ulu. So we're gonna set aside one we can taste test at the moment, only for you guys. This is only gonna do this once. All right, let's try it. We still got a bit of the new for the suita, so I'm just gonna pour a little bit of that so we can do our taste test. Alright guys, so remember I don't normally do this. It's always bad to eat before the matai, but just for the sake of this video and all of you guys that enjoy ulu, we're gonna try out the ulu and miki. Okay, and plus I love ulu and miki as well, so I might as well do it for you guys. Ooh. This is seriously good. Ooh, wow. Oh, wow.
Get up, get on up, get up, get on up, stay on the scene.
What I done made up, and what I ate for. Yo, but Maro Ikak, so what my whatever for that, my own message, Umago. But see, that's one. The Ranga for Samoa. More, I'm Makai. Quite yo. Or a coded. I don't fire cook a made. Oh, coffee, I'm a murder woman, big I. You go, I may die. So, Quapa don't know so. Tea. Man. Guys, this is really good. I think I'm enjoying it too much. But hope you enjoyed today's content. I'm gonna, nah, just kidding. We're gonna finish off the cooking, guys, but I hope you enjoy that. The soup's almost ready. Gonna get started on the suita. Cô vậy đấy, mẹ cũng phải của mẹ qua ra rồi ai ăn rồi cô vậy mẹ sẽ ai ăn đều mất kì. Cho mẹ ao vác quẹo ai mua để ăn một cái. Đeo mất cái gì đi về đến mẹ. Tên what? Nó phải mất lúc cũng đi. Anh nói phải mất lúc cũng sao với ai luôn, với đồ. Có ngay phá và cô vậy đến việc nó phải giặc quay nghỉ. Awala ay napako isi ay ngaloy ayaw mo lang mga umod kasi di so ready sa ora ufa dong ko so de pungor biar so de ngakay hoy kung ngakay inkoy ver ka ko me de boy. Yeah, koyar ka kukisi. Just the gas left, and then more cooking will be back on the way. Kuva ilan meron ko. Yeah, koy fo may work of that. Neda din ko fo iya ko. Yan ang bola ng champion yung work of that. Mo yan meron ako ngam kisi. Ka work of that. Yay. Mumak masagil mumak. Mumak kay kay mumak. Alright guys, so we're just going to quickly do this. There was no gas at the shops close by here, so we've had to come back to old school style. But should be fairly quick because it's just this waiter left and the pumpkin for the soup needs to be cooked. So yeah, should be fairly quick guys. But this is how you know you're a good cook. Everything goes wrong. Gotta think of solutions. That's cool. Ya ada ngok musuh. Jadi fa umok beres ka ko. Alright guys, so just the soup left, almost done. We're 11:30 for time at the moment, so probably get another half hour just so that the meat tenderizes. But we're going pretty good for time, guys, so it was a good save call. Alright guys, we finally made it to the end. Almost screwed up the episode today, but it's always good to bounce back. So it's a good thing we finally made it to the end and got the results for you guys, so hope you enjoyed. We're gonna show it now. Alright, we've got our suave from the suaita, very nice and creamy. We've got our suaita from the supo povi, sorry, with carrots, pumpkin and potatoes. We've got our ham, got the luau, got our ita, ulu, and fai. So yeah guys, it's looking very good. Flies are coming in. Flies are hungry too. We're gonna get started on this because I am really really hungry, guys. So hope you enjoyed today's content. I enjoyed making it for you guys. Just want to say thank you for the support, guys. I really appreciate it. We're gonna end the episode here. Gonna go eat with the family. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, guys, if you enjoyed our content today. And we'll definitely catch you guys on our next episode. But until then, God bless, take care, stay safe.